Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a half a double crochet stitch into the third loop. Here is my first row of half a double crochet stitches, and now I'm going to chain one and turn work, not counting that chain one as a stitch. And let's look at this half a double crochet stitch now. We have three loops. We have this first loop and the second loop and then the third loop, and it's that very back loop, third loop, what we want to be working into, making our new half a double crochet stitches. So 1, 2 in the front, and then we're working into the third one right at the back. So sometimes it can be called a back loop, but just to be absolutely clear, I'm going to call it a third loop because it is actually the third one out of the loops that you're working into. And this is what your work should look like if you have got into the correct stitch.